If you want to restore a grill, the first thing you'll need is an old grill. Here's my dad grilling some chicken on my grill when it was brand new back in 1995. Classic Weber Spudnik design charcoal grill. Step 1. Wait 15 years for your dad to buy a new grill and then take his old one. Step 2. Age grill outdoors for like 10 more years. Step 3. Even after the wooden handles have completely disintegrated, keep using the grill. It's still a grill. Step 4. Once the legs fall off every time you try to move the grill, you're ready to restore your grill. Step 5. Set the round domed parts of the grill out on some butcher paper. Step 6. Get some high temperature spray paint. It's got a picture of a grill right there on the can, so this must be the stuff. Step 7. After cleaning the domed parts, apply a generous coat of the paint. Step 8. Reuse your butcher paper to cover the wheels, which are still attached to 2 of the legs, partially to save paper and because you're too lazy to go back inside and get more paper. Step 9. Spray paint the legs and base of the grill because they have started to corrode quite a bit and some paint should slow that down. Don't forget the ashtray because, well, there is some paint left in the can after all. Step 10. Reattach the legs using some drill and screw action to keep them from falling off again. Regular drills will drill through metal. Isn't that crazy? Step 11. Cut 6 1-inch pieces of wood. They do not have to be perfect, only as exact as your skill and patience allows. Step 12. Sand down the wood chunks. Cut holes in them to make room for the 2 screws that will hold the inner wood chunks to the handle. Step 13. Stain the wood chunks so they look nice and will disintegrate slower. Step 14. Screw the inner wood chunks to the metal handles. They will probably be kind of rough because there are weird metal tabs on the handle that have something to do with how the wooden handles from the factory were attached, but those will only get in the way because this is probably not how they did it at the factory. Step 15. After breaking all 3 of your outer wood chunks because you didn't craft them well enough and they broke while you tried to put them on, make 3 more wooden chunks and use a rotary tool to make them fit better this time. Also, sand and stain the new outer handle wood chunks. Step 16. Using 1 screw in each wood chunk and some carefulness this time, attach the 3 outer handle wood chunks. The less perfect they are, the more likely someone is to ask if you did it yourself, giving you the chance to brag about how you restored the grill and how old it is. Take this opportunity to show them a picture of your dad in the grill from back in 1995. Step 17. Stand back to enjoy how good it all looks, then realize that you put the legs on the wrong way. Step 18. Repeat step 10, this time with 1 handle facing opposite the wheels so you can actually use the handle to roll the grill around the yard. There. Good as new. Well, good enough to grill on for several more years.